Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use logical if condition and nested if conditions in an Excel. So we are already aware of those conditions. In an Excel we have these conditions: equal to is one condition, greater than one condition, less than is another condition, and another one is greater than or equal to and less than or equals to. And we should remember this symbol that mostly used not equal to. So not equal to is used by this symbol. Okay, so now let us see how the syntax and how we will use if condition in an Excel. So generally if condition consists of the following syntax. Here you can observe the following syntax here. If a greater than, that means 10, we are giving some condition, and if this condition is true it will reflect correct, and if condition is false it will shows incorrect. In this example we are comparing a1 is greater than or 10, so 12 is obviously greater than 10, so the output we are getting here is correct. In the similar way we are assigning some other variables. See here, if you see here, so here I am taking 5 and 2. 5 is equals to b7 and 2 is equals to c7. So b7 and c7, if 5 is equals to 2, if the condition is true it will shows true here, and if it is false it will shows false here. Okay, let us check this condition on X. If rating a, that means j2, is equals to 1, it will shows true, else it will shows false. Okay, a small example. So obviously this cell consists of 1, it should reflect true. See here, true. And if I check the same condition here, it is showing false. Why? Because j3 is not equals to 1. So if I assign this one for the 4, you might you will get the condition true here. A small example. In the similar way we have nested if condition also. So if you want to check with the nested if condition, the syntax for nested if condition is this one. What the nested if says is, within the if condition we will give multiple if conditions. See here, see 1 assigns bad and 2 assigns good and 3 is excellent, and other than 3 it is called not valid score. Okay, so nested if is nothing but in one if condition we are assigning more than one more than 2 3 conditions. That is nothing but nested if. So if you want to see how it will work in nested if, let us see on an Excel. So I am now giving some criteria. If cell j2 is equals to 1, I want to say poor performance, means the performance is obviously good. Okay, so I want to give good grade for this one. Other than that we don't have. Okay, not available. So one of the most important thing that you remember in nested if condition is how many brackets you open, you should close that many brackets. See here, green to green and black to black. See, so if the rating is 1, it shows it is a poor performer. So I'm dragging this formula to check all the performance related to rating. So now you're getting 1 is poor, 4 good, 5 good, 3 average, 4 good, and 2 B grade, 1 poor. So in this manner we will use the nested if here. Nested if is very one important feature, and it will helpful a lot in Excel. And similarly we have another conditions we can use, and or if conditions also in Excel. So if you want to see, so the AND function, how we will implement AND function in if is in this manner. So AND means if these two conditions will true, then only it will shows the true condition, otherwise it will shows the false. The definition here clearly mentioned the end function returns the true if all the conditions are true only. Other than that it will shows the false condition. So if you see the below example here, so I am comparing 12 and 3. So if 12 and 3 are greater than, so a1 is greater than 10 and b1 is greater than 5, then only it will shows the correct, otherwise it will shows the incorrect. Okay, the same syntax applicable for different values, and you also check from your end. It is the best exercise to get perfection in your Excel skills. And let us see how it will work on Excel sheet. So here, see here, I am writing a formula. If J2 is greater than or equal to, those persons are eligible for a bonus amount of 2. So I'm implementing this formula and dragging. So those who are getting 4 5 rating and 5 and 4 rating, they are eligible for bonus. So in the similar manner, I want to write a small cross check formula that whether they did get the bonus or not. Let us see how I am taking. So is equals to, if I want to give end condition, and okay, and so now I want to implementing the logic. So if my this rating is greater than or equals to 4 and this supposed to equal 2000, okay, then only they are get bonus. Otherwise not applicable for bonus. Okay, so this is a simple formula. See here, so let us name it as bonus status. So if I drag this formula further, see here, so those who are getting bonus means these are the persons. So if you observe these things, his rating, he get 2000 and his rating is more 5, so he get the bonus. So in this manner we will use if conditions and nested if and or if conditions in an Excel. Thank you for watching my video. Chandrasekhar.